Okay, so I'll be completing my video journal on the knee. So we'll start off with our active range of motion. So the purpose of range of motion is to test and determine if the range is limited, normal, or excessive. So with AROM, we're assessing contractile structures. We're looking at the joint range, control, muscle power, and ability for the movement to be completed. So Courtney, what I'm going to get you to do when you're ready, if you could bring your heel towards your bottom as far as you can go. Okay, so from here I'm going to apply overpressure or a bit of pressure. Let me know if you experience any pain or discomfort.
No, it's fine.
And the same on this side, please. Bring your heel towards your bottom. As far as you can go. Yeah. Again, I'm applying overpressure. Let me know if you feel any pain or discomfort.
No, it's fine.
Okay, this time for knee extension, what I'm going to get you to do, Courtney, is to push the back of your knee into the table as far as you can go. When you're ready. Yep. Okay, and again, I'm going to apply a bit of overpressure. So holding it to where you were as far as you can go. So again, pushing, and hold it there. Okay. Same on this side, pushing the back of your knee into the table as far as you can go. Yep, holding there, and a bit of pressure. Feel okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yep. Okay, next one I am going to get you to do, if you could please sit up and pop your legs over the edge of the bed for me. Alright. Okay, so this time what I'm going to get you to do, Courtney, is to take your big toe over to the wall over there as far as you can go. Yep, I'm just going to apply some pressure. Okay? Yep. Same again, taking your big toe over to the wall over here as far as you can go and apply pressure. Any pain or discomfort? Alright, this time I'm going to get you to bring your big toe towards me as far as you can go. Okay? Again, your big toe towards me as far as you can go. Okay? Good. Laying back down for me. Okay. From here, we will move on to our passive ROM, or passive range of motion. This, again, we're looking at obviously the joint, but we're looking at our non-contractile tissues, looking at the quality and range. So, but I will be completing the movement. So Courtney will be going through the same as what we just did, but this time I want you to relax as much as possible, and I will take you through the movement. Just let me know if you experience any pain or discomfort.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's fine.
Alright? Okay, we also complete passive range on the patella. So you can't quite see on the video, but with the patella, it should glide or draw medially half its width, and it will draw laterally in extension about the same. Okay. Any pain or discomfort with those on?
No.
Good. sitting on the edge of the bed again for me like you were before. We'll look at the other side as well. So medially, half its width, and laterally the same. Feel okay?
Yeah, fine.
Sitting up on the edge of the bed for me. Alright. Okay, so again, I will be completing these movements for you. Just let me know if you experience any pain or discomfort. So I'm just bringing your toe over to the wall. Okay. Toes towards me now. Just relax. Any pain or discomfort?
No.
Any pain or discomfort?
No, that's fine.
Alright, laying down again for me, please. And your back's fine. Okay, now we will complete our muscle strength tests. So our active resisted range of motion. So we'll be going through the similar movements. Again, just relax as much as possible, and I'll indicate when you're basically pushing against my pressure. So for the first one, so if you can hold your position there if you can, you're right there.
Yep.
So when you're ready, not now, you're going to be pushing into my hand to the count of 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Feel okay?
Yeah.
Same on this side. Can you hold that there for me?
Yeah.
Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, with knee extension. Alright, so if you could please hold, just nice and relaxed, but just sort of hold up. Right, again, so you're pushing through this hand that's on your shin to the count of 5 when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Same on this side. You can hold that about there for me. Yep. To the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay. This time what we'll do, alright, so Courtney, what you're going to do is, just going to have your leg up like so. What I want you to do is bringing your toes up towards you as far as you can go, but then I'm going to apply some pressure on the top of your foot. So when you're ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Okay?
Yeah.
Do the same on this side. So bring your knee up for me. Good. When you're ready, pushing through my pressure. So, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Same again, but this time instead of pulling your toes towards you, you're going to push them down to the bed. And again, I'm going to be applying pressure, okay? So pushing down, go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. No pain or discomfort?
No.
And then the same on this side for me. Okay, pushing down into my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. So with this strength test, obviously 0 would be graded as no contraction, and 5 would be graded as normal strength. Okay. From here we'll move on to our special tests. The first test that I will do will be my a meniscal test, the McMurray's test. So Courtney, with this test, you basically need to indicate to me whether you experience any pain or discomfort throughout. The purpose of this test is we want to elicit the pain that you experience. So, and we're looking for any apprehension, to look for any injury, like tear or anything like that. So a positive test obviously would be the reproduction of your pain. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing your knee up into flexion. So we're supporting the heel with our hand. We're applying external rotation. My forearm is supporting the medial part of Courtney's foot. Okay, then my other hand is situated just above the patella and palpating the joint line. So from there, from flexion, I'm basically keeping external rotation and then extending knee to 90 degrees. Okay? And then the same on this side, bringing the knee into flexion. Again, medial part of the foot is supported on my forearm. My hand is above the patella but palpating the joint line so we can feel for any clicking sensation while we're completing the movement. Again, I'm bringing the foot into external rotation. From flexion, we are slowly extending to 90 degrees. Any pain or discomfort? Good.
No.
Okay, the next test we'll do a patellofemoral test. So we'll complete the McConnell test. So with this one, Courtney, what I'll get you to do is sitting up on the edge of the bed for me. Okay, so the McConnell test, we're looking at basically the glide or traction of the patella along the femur. So we have our hip externally rotated, okay? So the purpose of this test is, again, a positive test would be reproduction of the pain with the isometric quad contraction. And then obviously wherever the pain occurs, to retest that with medial glide to the patella, and then if we're not experiencing any pain with that movement of the patella, also showing a positive test. Okay, so starting at 120 degrees. So basically, Courtney, what I'm going to get you to do is basically you're pushing against my hand, which is situated on your shin, and we're contracting these front muscles, okay? And we're going to hold for the count of 10. So when you're ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any pain or discomfort?
No.
Okay, and we'll go to 90. Same again. When you're ready, Courtney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any pain or discomfort? Okay, bring it up to 60. Same again, pushing against my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still okay? Good. Bringing up to about 30. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then in neutral. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Then we'll do the same on the other side. So same again, Courtney. So starting at 120, so under the table there, again, we're contracting these muscles, pushing against my pressure that's situated on your shin. So when you're ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Any pain or discomfort? Good. Now at 90, same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 60. Still no pain or discomfort?
No.
Good. Alright, and again. To the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. Still going okay?
Yeah.
Good. Pushing against my hand. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then finally up in neutral. Yep. Pushing against my pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Okay, the final test will be anterior draw test for the ACL. So Courtney, I'll get you to lay down on your back again for me, please. So this test, we're looking at anterior stability of the knee and ACL laxity of that ligament. And a positive test, obviously, you would have increased anterior draw of the tibia and a decrease in ligament resistance. All right. So basically, we are going to have our knee up. I'm just going to sit on your foot ever so slightly. All right. So just stay nice and relaxed for me. Any pain or discomfort?
No.
Same again on this side. Nice and relaxed. Again, let me know if you have any pain or discomfort. Okay?
Yep.
Good. Finally, we need to go through our myotomes, so for the lower limbs. So obviously your myotomes, we're assessing for any muscle weakness on particular muscle groups that are related to specific spinal nerves.
Mm-hmm.
So a positive test for one of the myotomes would obviously be a weakness, but may indicate some sort of lumbar or sacral lesion, depending on which myotome that you're testing. So for L1 and L2, we are hip flexion. So I'm going to get you to hold this position for me, Courtney, and you're going to push against my resistance, okay? So when you're ready, go for it. Pushing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't know how long to hold it for, so we'll just go 10. Same on this side. Right. You're right there? Yep, pushing against my hand. Yep. 3, 4, 5. Good, and relax. Okay. Right. Bending your knee again for me. So can you hold that there for me? Yep. This time you're going to push into my hand again. So this is L3, knee extension. Coming up. Again, push into my hand. And relax. Okay. This time, Courtney, what I'm going to get you to do is basically you're bringing your toes towards you again, and I'm going to apply pressure down on top of your foot. So bring your foot up for me. Yep. So pulling up, pull toes up. Okay. Same again, pulling your toes up. that's L4, good. L5, we have great toe extension. So this time, Courtney, what I'm going to get you to do is basically pulling your big toe up towards you. I'm just going to place my hand onto your ankle just so you don't have the tendency to want to pull at the ankle. And again, I'm going to apply some pressure to that joint for you. Go for it. Alright, same on this side. And again. Good. Now we move on to S1. So this time, similar to when you're bringing your toes up to you, you're now going to point your toes to the ground as much as you can. Yeah, go. Good. And same on this side. So again, pointing your toes down. Yep. Alright? Yep. Okay, the next one what we're going to do is the movement you're going to do is bring the soles of your feet out, away from each other, and I'm going to apply a bit of pressure coming in, okay? So when you're ready, pulling your soles out, away from you. 10, and relax. Again, sole of your foot away, yep. And I'm applying pressure in. 10 and relax. Then we move on to your stomach for me. So rolling over onto your stomach. Okay. I'm just going to bend your knee. So where you can feel my hand on the back of your thigh, what I'm going to get you to do is pushing up for me. Okay. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, and relax. Going right there.
Yep.
Same on this side, so pushing up through this hand, pushing up, push, push. Yep. So bring the front of your thigh off the bed. That's it. Good. And then from here, so moving on, to S2, which is knee flexion. So what I'm going to get you to do is bring your heel towards your bottom, and again I'm applying some pressure there to the back of your leg, so when you're ready. Yep. Good, and relax. Yep, when you're ready, heel towards bottom. And relax. Going alright?
Yep.
That is it of my assessment on the knee. Thank you, Courtney, and I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thanks.